beautiful people! Welcome back to Gifting Genie. We are the genie for all your gifting wishes. Today, I have something very special for you. A vintage letter DIY. Whether you want to add an old word charm to your heartfelt messages, or you simply love the aesthetic of vintage paper and beautiful handwriting, this tutorial is perfect for you. And if you can't find the right materials, don't be worried, I've got you covered. Just fill out the Google form linked in the description and I will send you a kit with all the materials. Because here at Gifting Genie, we believe that all you need is a genie and a wish, not the worries about materials. So let's dive in and start crafting.
So these are the materials that we are going to need for this, and let's start with making the paper vintage. So first of all, I'm going to take some coffee and add it in my glass of water. Now I'm going to take my brush, which is of size 10, and I'm going to mix this. And now I'm going to slowly paint this here. After my entire page looks like this, I'm going to take a heat gun to dry this out. You can also wait for it to dry up naturally, maybe in sunlight, or you can just leave it. But I want to do it quickly, so I'll use my heat gun to dry this. My paper is all crisp dry. Now I'll paint another coat because I like the vintageness a bit more dark. You can even try like dropping the water here and using heat gun to spread it. My second coat of coffee is done. I am going to dry it again. Now my paper is completely dry. So now what I'll do is I'll start tearing the edges, all 4 edges of the paper.
Hey, just checking in. How's it going so far? If you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you make this vintage letter, I'd love to see your beautiful creations. Just tag me on Instagram @gifting_genie and I will showcase your creation on all my social media platforms. Now, let's get back to the tutorial and bring this timeless piece to life.
After my edges are torn, I'm going to use golden acrylic paint to paint the edges. This is how it's going to look after giving it a golden border. I'm just going to dry this up as well. Now we are going to use a black pen to write on this letter. But before that, so that you don't mess up the paint, let's dry it first. After this, we are just going to bold certain parts of the card to make it more special. After we are done with this, we are going to take some red acrylic paint and paint hard in our letter. And that's it. Our vintage letter is ready.
And there you have it. Your vintage letter is ready. Doesn't it look like something straight out of a different era? Let me know in the comments if you'd like more vintage style tutorials or if there's something specific that you'd like to learn. Don't forget to tag gifting_genie on Instagram. I'd love to see your stunning creations. Lastly, make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on any new tutorial that I bring. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye. Happy crafting!